Eh, like I said before, when I met Indonesian friends in TikTok Live who were women, I said, Assalamualaikum. Or I greet them, how are you? Or Watullah Barakatuh. I respect the Muslim women. I said, I learn about polite. We should not impolite to others. Just like I said, we should not impolite anyway. I said before, I don't want to harass Nanay Ningning also in Instagram last 2023. This is my fault that I call her the word. What's that in English word? Asshole word. That's really a bad word. That's what I said before. All the Germans are very stupid. That's really an insult. Oh, but not only the person that who is insulting at, like Paulo Cruzada, he has no respect to women, including Wawel Romero, Teacher May, oh, Lorraine Shook, Mina Suchoy. You threatening them to hostage them. You know, Paulo Cruzada, just like I said to you, me and Shania Kiana, we do not like harassment. You are forcing Shania Kiana to remove underwear, to remove um, clothes, to remove anything. You know, this is really bullying. This is really bullying, and with the bullying, there is resilient. There is defiant. I say again, Paulo Cruzada, when you ever you say the words, tanggalin mo yung saplot mo, Shania Kiana, that's the word. And you say about hubarin mo, ang panty mo, like what you say that you gonna remove her underwear, and you want to remove the bra. You know, Paulo Cruzada, your mother is really disappointed at you. Thanks to Mrs. Marion Cruzada, or I said Mrs. Marion Cruzada, I don't want to accuse you, you need to lecture your son. Your son is just like Jason named Makagago. Oh, me, I pretend Francis Leo Marcos. You know, Paulo Cruzada, when I upload this in my YouTube video, you should not harass Shania Kiana. You know, this is really offended. Last year, you said you love Bongbong Marcos. Then, last year, you say you love ISIS. Oh, what is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? What is the real problem? You like the word ISIS. Me, I don't like ISIS. Anyway, Paulo Cruzada. And you attempt to bomb joke at Germany. I even talk with Nanay Ningning. Nanay Ningning, remember, if you see Paulo Cruzada in Facebook, if you don't know who is this guy was, pag hindi mo kilala, like I said, you need to block Paulo Cruzada in Facebook. All you need to do is she needs to block you need to block him in Facebook. Oh, it's simple. I say to Nanay Ningning, you know, Paulo Cruzada, like I say again, be mature yourself. I thought you were quiet. Now you are still attacking anybody. You threatened to hostage Teacher May, Lorraine Shook. Even you attack Teacher Evelyn. Even you attack Kuya Joel Tolentino. Oh, this is not really nice, Paulo Cruzada. Do not attack everyone. Do not message. Do not attack um, Teacher Riza, Teacher Jessa, Teacher Lendel, Teacher May, Teacher Marisa, Teacher Chris, Teacher Mirna, one of the Teacher May's best friends, even Teacher Riza was in the US. Do not harass them. You know, Paulo Cruzada, the only the best what you the only the best medicine to you is to is to rehabilitate yourself. Just like Joseph Maspina said, lagi ka kasi tumakas sa mental hospital. You know that? You know what you're doing? It is not really nice to bully everyone. Like me, I do not want to bully. Oh, you and your ally, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jim Macasandil, the uncle of Paula Nunez, you attack other people. Now you see, Jim Macasandil, you make you're saying about rape joke. Oh, Paula, your niece, Paula Nunez, she doesn't like rape joke. Oh, when you're a born again Christian, Jima Kasadil, rape is not a gift of Christian. Remember that, Jima Kasandil. When I heard that in the Shia Muslim, rape is not a gift of the Shia Muslims. Rape is not a gift of Judaism, even as well as Catholic. It's not gift of Muhammad, it's not a gift of Jesus. They are not a gift. Oh, rape is not a gift. Oh, I say again. But here's the one thing, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, and your other allies, Jima Casandil, Gina Sejo, and Jeffrey Asejo. The all of you need to take best medicine is to make rehabilitate and go to the mental hospital, rehabilitate. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you need to go to therapy. Me, I've been there in therapy in goals. Many times I've been therapy there. Oh, you remember Teacher Jomar? Oh, you don't even know who that person was. You need to go to therapy, Paulo Cruzada. Like I said before, when I heard that from the time, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, you need to therapy your son. Your son is attacking anyone. Your son is attacking everybody. Just like I said, I am not familiar you're attacking everybody. First of all, Paulo Cruzada, you said last year after the Rodrigo Duterte arrest, you love Bongbong Marcos. And then you say you are an ISIS. Oh, you saying ako ang ISIS ng bayan. Oh. And you say about I love Bongbong Marcos. This is really nonsense. You know, Paulo Cruzada, people, they don't deserve really like you. Just like I said, daming tao maiiwas sa'yo. I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, they don't really know who you are. I was chat by Teacher Chin Busmante in Messenger. She said to me, sino ba si Paulo Cruzada? Who's Paulo Cruzada? I respond Teacher Chin. I said to Teacher Chin Busmante, he's a student of Teacher May Tiburcio. Dating yung student ni Teacher May. Oh, I just said it. And Teacher Chin Busmante reply, I don't know who is this person was. I don't even know who this guy was. I don't really know him. Hindi ko yan kilala. What she said. You know, Paulo Cruzada, do not harass people. You know, I criticize your, I criticize his parents. Yo, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, lecture your son. You are a mother. If you're a mother, you need to lecture your son. You need to reprimand your son. You need to discipline that your son. Me, I reported to the JASAMS in telephone last year. I called the JASAMS in hotline in Philippine Women University, the school of Jordan Pilapil. I say to them, I say to the professors and the advisors, you need to lecture your son. If your son never lecture him, like I said, even your student, you know, Mrs. Marion Cruzada and the advisors of Philippine Women University or JASAMS, the School of Paulo Cruzada, and advisors, even the mother of Paulo Cruzada, lecture your son, lecture that your former student and former alumni. You know, this is really worse. I expected that. You know, I do not too much sexual harassment. You know, Paulo Cruzada, Joseph Maspinas had posted you on Facebook. They make you viral. He posted there in the Facebook page, group page, Davao Bisexual group. He posted it. And he reported to the Spedmotics of Jerick Silva and the Philippine Raptor. Oh. They respond about Paulo Cruzada's behavior. Teacher May had reported to Ate Pura. Ate Pura is using the Facebook account of Miguel Bonono. That was her son. And Ate Pura respond that Paulo Cruzada is harassing Teacher May. Now it's up to Ate Pura. Not only to Ate Pura, it's up to my Spedmotics of CDIFI, Jude Goles, or Alfred Islabra, even my other friends, they responded, including the one of the Spedmotics is Lawrence Villawan, they responded. This is not really good, Paulo Cruzada, about your sexual harassment. You know, your mother doesn't like your attitude.